Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and this is a pole barn that I built in 2003, mostly for cold storage, but I think when you walk around to many pole barns around, this is the lighting that you see. A lot of people don't put a lot of money into lighting, basically just put up standard bulbs and then you upgrade to LED, and someday you go, wait a minute, I want to do a little work in here, and there's nothing, no light. So you start to fabricate different things. But realistically, we've done a lot of different videos on what lights to put up, how to do some inexpensive LED upgrades by adding multiple light bulbs to a single light. But what I want to go over in this video is these new adjustable LED lights. This is an 80-watt light that says it has 8,000 lumens per. So I bought 4 of these. Not the most affordable lights out there, but you can find them on sale. They are on sale right now, and you can direct the light where you need it. Now these are a Gen 2, and you'll also find different types of them out there, so I'll put a link to these in the description. There's some that the powder coating around the outside faded, turned a weird color due to heat, because these are really just heat sinks. But either way, we're going to install these and take a look around. But before I did, I downloaded a lumen meter on my phone, and I walked around our shop, which we put some good money into lighting in there, and we got an average of 473 lux on the phone meter. Is it perfect? No, but what it does is give us a good average. When we walked around here, if memory serves me right, it was 113 as an average. So that's a significant difference. And when you're working out here in this shop, even just doing menial tasks, it is very, very noticeable that it's dim. So we're going to install these, do the same thing, and come back and talk about the difference. So with just 4 out of 6 of these lights installed, we've added a significant amount of light that is hard to even imagine. It's night and day, literally. So we walked around with our lumen meter and came up with an average of 513 lux. That's better, I believe, than the other shop. And you can do some more adjusting on these lights. You just move them where you need light. So there's 3 different places that you can move the light up and down. That'll help you get into corners, help you with different areas that might have shadows. But there is no doubt that we added a significant amount of light here. If you think about this, each one of those lights is 8,000 lumens per the box. Now you can drop down and get them in 60 watt and I believe 40 watt. These are 80s again. I'll put the links to the 80s and probably the 60s in the description. Watch for them to go on sale. I'll try to put the links to the ones that I see on sale at this point in time. These work. They're not the most affordable. You're going to spend about 30 bucks per light on each one. But the difference that it makes is well worth it, because if you think about adding some sort of T8 or LED type bulb that's a strip, just the fixture and this is going to cost about the same. And this is retrofit, screw it in and go. What they're coming up with here is great. When you really think about it, I'm going to also put some links to some of the other stuff I've done with LED lights, putting the 3 candle bulbs up or the different types of cone or corn cob style lights that I have in my other shop. Those work also a little bit more on the pricey side, not as good as these. I would say this is one of the better ones that we've put up. This is awesome. If you don't have a shop that has great lighting or positions for lights, this is definitely something to look at. Guys, check everything out in the description. As always, we appreciate your time watching this video, your support. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Have a great day.